talk about fibromyalgia. This is a condition in which the patient has pain all over the body, and the pain is also quite severe. Early in the morning, when the patient wakes up, there occurs variable levels of stiffness in the morning, and the patient finds it very difficult to move about. The important part about this illness is that all investigations, whether you do an X-ray, MRI, all blood investigations, everything comes normal. And so often these patients end up visiting various specialists for their pain, end up doing n number of investigations, everything comes normal, and then it is labeled as the patient is having all pain in her head. This disease is more common in females, and especially there is a family history. One or other family member has this kind of pain, but this is not a must. There might be no other family member with this problem. Coming to treatment options. So most important treatment for these patients is pharmacotherapy or medicines. So these medicines that we start are not painkillers, but these are medicines which reduce the sensitivity of the nerves to pain. These medicines need to be taken long term for at least 3 to 6 months and may be in a low dose for a longer period of time. The other things that we do in case medicine therapy does not give desired results is firstly IMS or dry needling, in which we stimulate muscles of the painful part in order to release their spasm. Another interesting therapy for this is something we call as systemic desensitization, in which we give some sort of medicines through saline, and it's given for 1 hour. This is an OPD procedure, and that gives long-term pain relief. Thirdly, these patients tend to have fear of movement, and that is why they tend to keep lying down in their bed or not moving about much, which in fact increases the pain. That is why physiotherapy is needed in order to maintain activity level of these patients. So fibromyalgia has very good treatment options. There are also various support groups available, and also these patients require some sort of counseling. So do take treatment if you are suffering from this kind of problem.